Okay, so we've got this. We got to put it together. It's a coffee bench trunk. So, yeah, let's go ahead and open her up and see what we got. Always a pain in the butt getting the box open. There we go. This, I think, is going to be pretty simple. That's just something to keep it dry. But let's go ahead and get her out. Bam, done. All right, so now we just got to put it together. Does seem to have some instructions. And, oh, it's kind of heavy too. Oh, look at that. So let's go ahead. Let's get through the plastic. Once we get through the plastic, it should be easy, right? Ow. Well, there you go. I almost dropped it on my foot. Basically, just a couple pieces. It does come with that. You may need that. You may need that. Pretty simple, right? So this is the top. So and it has a piece in there. That's going to be the bottom of it. And then this, basically, this just opens up like this. Look at that. And then this just goes in it like that. All right. And then this goes right on top. Bam. Done. Bob is your uncle. All right, so that's that right there. We just put that together, and it doesn't take more than maybe a minute to do it. It's super easy, and probably one of the easiest things I've ever put together. This is not like one of those puzzles that you might get from one of those big box stores. So yeah, worked out great. And it's a Seville classic. Seville classic, easy to do, and they call it a trunk bench. So yeah, highly recommend getting one of these bad boys.